In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and simple method to create lined or ruled paper in Microsoft Word using what I like to call the fake line method. This is perfect if you need lined paper for notes, assignments, or any other document. But don't worry, this won't require any complicated processes or tools. Let's get started. First things first. Open up Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Now, to kick things off, we're going to use underlines to mimic the appearance of lined paper. Head over to the top of your screen and click on the Home tab if you're not already there. Once you've done that, look for the Underline button, which is shaped like a U with a line beneath it, and click on it. This is going to set up your text so that anything you type will automatically be underlined. A handy tool for our needs today. Next, we need to adjust the paragraph settings to ensure our fake lines have a uniform and pleasant appearance. To do this, go to the paragraph section within the Home menu. It's usually a group of lines with double arrows pointing down at the end of it. Click on the tiny arrow or the Line and Paragraph Settings button, which will bring up a new menu. In this new menu, we're focusing on two key settings: line spacing and the space after each paragraph. For our purposes, set the line spacing to single, or you can choose another spacing option depending on how spread out you'd like your lines to appear. It's all about personal preference, so feel free to choose what looks right for your document. For the space after each paragraph, you can adjust this to 0 or experiment with different settings to find what works best for you. This setting will affect how much space appears between each line you create. Now comes the fun part, creating the actual lines. Click at the start of your document where you'd like to make the first line. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to jump to a set position on the line. Now, here's a handy trick. Repeat pressing the Tab key continuously to extend the underline across the page until you have a full line that spans the width of your document. This creates a clean, straight line that resembles those on traditional ruled paper. Continue repeating this process, line by line, until you've created as many lines as you need for your document. It's really that simple. This method not only saves you time, but also avoids any complex formatting options you might have thought necessary to achieve lined paper in Word. And there you have it. You've successfully created a lined paper template using the Underline and Tab Leader method in Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward technique that can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you're typing up notes, drafts, or any document that requires that lined paper look. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.